Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add multiple answers in Google Forms. So let's begin. So first of all, I'll create a blank form to show you the entire process. So here I am in the blank form. I'm going to give our form a title. All right. Now here is an untitled question. So let's decorate this question. So I have the question ready. Now let's prepare the answers. Alright, so I have prepared my answers. Now it's currently set as multiple choice. So if it's set as multiple choice, then users will be able to select only one of the answers. Now let me demonstrate that by publishing it. Alright, so my form is published, so let's open this form. Now as you can see, the question is ready, and if I select an answer, I'll only be able to select one answer, and another one will be deselected. So let's close this form again and change this question type from multiple choice to something else. I'm going to now select checkboxes. So in checkbox mode, you will be able to select multiple options from the answers. Now in checkbox mode, you will be able to select multiple answers from this question. So I will open the form again in another new tab. So now I'm going to select a response. And now let's select another response. So as you can see, I'm able to select multiple responses. And I will select 4 responses. And if I select other from here and give another response, then you will be able to see that I'm able to select most of the responses. And if I want, I'll be able to select all of the answers. So that is how you can add multiple answers in your Google Forms. If you found this video helpful, guys, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.